34, you got 2 motor units that we can be right here at the traffic light. And if they get the light, we can just jump out and grab them. It says the only one with a white helmet.
Yep, tempo.
Sheriff's K-9, get on the ground! Do it now! Get on the ground!
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Hands,
Yes, sir, I'm hurt. I got hurt.
Turn over!
Sir.
Put your hands behind your back!
Sir, I got
Give me your
hurt.
hands! Shut up!
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We got him.
Idiot!
I know.
Yeah, you know! Stay on your belly!
Sir, my leg.
Stay on your belly!
Yes, sir. Look like you were running pretty good, me. Oh my God. Oh my God. Sir, you've got to hold my right leg
got
up.
rescue coming to you.
Yes. That was dumb. That was dumb.
You think?
Then he tried to run. Now he's got his legs back. Oh yeah, ran just fine.
On B Street?
Yeah. Are you guys kidding me?
Yeah,
seems like you ran pretty good from there to here.
But it
Well, no, I'm sure it does. You know how your leg doesn't hurt? You don't run from the cops and crash your bike. That's how it doesn't hurt. Understood, but I'm in pain right now. Well, don't run from the sheriff's office. Then you won't crash your bike.
This is funny?
No, I don't think it's funny. I think it's incredibly stupid, but...
I'm with a group of people that all kept going.
And
What
you
am I
ran
supposed to be
too.
doing? You crashed, and then
you ran
started
through the
to run all
park.
the way over here. We're being chased by 12 cops in the middle
You
of the
were...
road. What am I supposed to do?
Stop
and figure out why we're chasing
Hold
you.
on. What's your first name?
Josh.
Joshua.
Mike.
I was the one that was behind you guys on Old Dixie, lit you up.
All right.
Every one of you looked right back at me, and what'd you do? You guys all gunned it, so this is all on you.